Hi, let me show you how to use new running dashboard on Google Pixel Watch Free. For that, we need to just open Fitbit app and make sure that your watch is connected to the app, of course. And then in today's tab, you should see this section, running distance, and this is your run dashboard. So here you'll find information, results about your weekly runs, monthly, and so on. You can switch from distance to duration and check it in this graph or with time, as well as pace. Then you can find your personal records here. Then you can find your distance run for today. Also, you can get personalized workouts right here if you tap Get Started. If you scroll till the end, you would see some recorded workouts, which you can watch here to level up your run. And you can switch from this week to month, for example, 3 months, year to check all of the data. To record your running, you can either tap here and you can tap to start run. Then you need to choose an exercise, so let's pick run. And now it is start running, so you'll see it right here as duration, distance, pace. You can tap here. I'm gonna discard changes because I don't want to save this type of data. But you can also log run here. So if you forget to wear your watch while running, then you can manually log information about your workout, or you can build a run and start it immediately on your watch. So let me show you how it will look. In my case, it has a name of custom run. I can tap here and my workout will be started immediately. So with warm-ups and so on, I can find BPM here, time of my workout, pace, and so on. And swipe right to end this workout. And then you'll be able to find all of the results right here in Run Dashboard. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.